One of the best tasting burgers and halo-halo diri sa Argao. You heard it right. Naanay burger with fries and halo-halo for 880 pesos. Naanami duha ka buok set na burger with fries and duha ka buok halo-halo. And dagko gid kayo ilahang burger guys kay for sharing man siya mo na if you can see gihiwa jud na mo ang ilang burger. So we only ordered two sets of burgers with fries and naa na siya matching mustard, sriracha, and ketchup. So mao ni akong katunga guys ako nang gikaon and nakaingon jud ko lami jud siya guys. You really need to try it. So if mga mo og KKD, don't forget they offer burger with fries na and it's only 300 plus. And mo na padayon na kog kaon if you can see. And afterwards, we tried their halo-halo. Ilang halo-halo, 100 kapin ra siya, guys. And the total amount that we paid, as I mentioned a while ago, is 880 pesos na. Sulit kayo, upat mi kabuok, 880 pesos ra mong nabayran. Mo na kung ba na, iha nang gikaon ang ihang halo-halo, guys. Ga-share sila ni Kidi and kami, ga-share mi ni Enon. Same ra jud mi og feedback lami jud kayo ilahang burger og ilahang halo-halo, guys. And there you go. We have tried dining in before sa KKD diri sa Argao and we did not know that they were serving burgers and halo-halo. I think recently lang ni giad sa ilang menu. I'm not really sure. But mo na siya guys, gakaon na pud ko og halo-halo diri ng dapita. Lami gud kayo ilang ube o ilang leche flan na gisagol. And sa bottom of the halo-halo is na ay mga nuts, bananas, and so much more. So, if nangita mo og lamian nga burger with halo-halo, adto ra gyud mo sa KKD. Mao day nila ambience, guys. Nindot kayo ang ilahang lugar. Very Instagrammable. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you on my next vlog, lovies. Thank you so much for your support. Padayon lang gyud ta sa pag-vlog and I thank you once again for watching this video. Bye!